Hey y'all, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a clip-in hairstyle, and of course it is from CurlsCurls. Y'all know how much I love CurlsCurls. So it comes with this pamphlet just to give you some information about the hair. It comes with my hair, of course, and it comes with extra clip-ins as well. The curl pattern that I have is the Kinky Curly, and I have 18 inches. So I'm just twisting my twists down and pinning them in the back. Now you can wear your hair any type of way under clip-ins. You can do braids. You can even just do a low bun. Whatever you want to do, that's how you can do it. So I'm just taking the clip-ins and just putting them to where they fit my head. So the whole package comes with 10 clip-ins, so it is more than enough for your hair. You don't even have to use them all, but I actually did because I wanted a full head of hair. And this is what it looks like once I am done putting in all the clip-ins. But I am going to be doing a twist out with this. So I'm just going to wet the hair with some water. And I'm just going to be using some of my curling cream. You can use any type of curling cream that you like. And actually, you don't have to use curling cream. You could use a leave-in conditioner if that works for you as well. This is what the hair looks like when you comb it out. It's so soft, it's so pretty, and it's so natural looking. I love it, and I cannot wait to do a wash and go with this hair. So this the curling cream. I'm just putting it on my hair, and I'm just going to brush that through. And y'all, these curls are so gorgeous. I'm gonna give you a close-up right now. Look at these curls. Amazing. So I'm just twisting my hair, no particular way, just twisting it all the way down, and then when I get to the bottom, I'm just coiling it around my finger so that the ends of the hair can be curly too. And I continue to do this throughout the rest of my head. So let me know down below if you have tried CurlsCurls before. Y'all know I love this company so much, and I think that their clip-ins are amazing. Let me know if you have tried them before, and what type of texture have you tried before. Have you tried out this texture? Have you tried out the blown out texture? Let me know. I want to know. And if you haven't tried them, make sure that you check them out and use my coupon code TINA, TINA, so you can save some coins on your next purchase. And you can see exactly why I love them so much. I have clip-ins from them that I still have from like over a year ago, and they still look good. So just go ahead and check them out. And if you already checked them out, let me know what you think. So I'm just taking down my leave out, and I'm putting it as to where it will cover the wefts of the clip-ins. And I'm just doing my side part, and I'm just going to wet my hair with some water, the curling cream, and I'm just brushing that through. And I'm just doing twists on that as well. If you prefer, you can actually put your hair with the clip-ins so that it will all be one big twist. But I just prefer to do the twist on my hair separately. So I am all done. This is what it looks like, and I just let it dry overnight. Next morning, I'm taking off my bonnet, and I had my hair in a ponytail just to keep all the twists together. I did coat my hands with some oil while I am separating, and I did put 2 clips at the top of my hair so that my roots wouldn't puff up in the middle of the night. So I'm just separating my hair. I'm separating as much as I would like to. So you could separate as little or as much. So the less you separate, the more definition you will have. The more you separate, the more volume you will have. So I'm just taking down my clips, and I'm actually untwisting the twists in my actual hair, and I'm putting it as to where it will cover the wefts of the clip-ins. So I just swooped my edges a little bit, and I'm shaping the hair, and that is basically it. Super easy, super cute. I love how the style came out. This really looks like my hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you are loving my results. Make sure you comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.